Good morning, good evening, guys. Every time you watch this video, it's your boy Bruce. Back in the RSX, as you guys can see right here. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm actually filming on a GoPro, as you guys can see right here. Pretty cool, pretty awesome. I just want to give you guys a little POV. I was gonna drive this car to get inspected, so let's get this started, man. Let's go. Give you guys a cold start right now. Let me open the door so you guys can hear it. Yeah, buddy. Alright, turn that down. I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, this is the RSX right here, guys. Black. I got seat covers because, you know, the seats rip. I want to definitely change out this radio, steering wheel, short throw shifter, and I do have a surprise, but that's gonna be for another video. This car is getting new shoes, and I can't look in the back because that's what they are. So, not in this video, but in another video, I will show you guys the new shoes I'm putting on the RSX. Tacoma's over there. That's my wife's Buick. But I'm letting the car warm up a little bit, and after that, we're gonna get on the road. All right, guys, driving in the RSX. You can hear that's kind of loud, kind of raspy. Just not leaving my neighborhood, street, whatever. I'm a little bit rusty at driving manual because I haven't driven in a while, but I like making these videos because manual is it's a dying breed, you know? That's my hot dog dude right there. They are the best hot dogs, by the way, if you guys are ever wondering. But yeah, definitely, man. So this is like me introducing you guys to the car finally on the POV. I've been waiting so long to do this. I know this car hasn't really been on my channel much. I've been focused on Tacoma. The Tacoma is like 75% done. So for those of you like wondering, but that was a rough shit. Hey, get better at that. But yeah, definitely for this car right here, man, I got some plans for it. I got things in mind. I'm trying to work on different like sponsorships for it. I'm trying to, you know, just trying to bring this car back to life. And the owner probably is happy that I'm making this video because I can't really record in a manual car unless I have this GoPro, which, you know, I kind of love it. I love having this GoPro. It helps a lot. Stalled. Stalling will happen. Tried to creep. I really don't like turning out when cars are coming, but sometimes you might have to. So that's one thing about driving manual is you just gotta get used to cars behind you. And in case you guys don't know, man, this POV is kind of like for people who want to drive manual and who are very scared to, because you're afraid that you're gonna stall and mess up. As you guys see, I just stalled, man. Everybody stalls. Don't let your friends lie to you say that they never stalled. Everybody stalled. The only way you can learn manual, man, is just to get a car or have a friend that has a car and just get on the road. Get in a parking lot, get comfortable with it, finding that first shift. Oh, you see I just downshift to the third. I'm hitting the curve. Downshift back to fourth. Good. Up to fifth. Good. See? It's little things like that, man, that you just can't be scared of, man. I used to be scared. I used to be scared of traffic. I used to be having sweat going down my back. I used to have fears, man, of driving manual, and that's the one thing that really much stops everybody. And once you get over that fear of driving manual, then you guys will definitely understand like how powerful and how fun it is just to go through gears by yourself, even just to learn, period. Because it's a beautiful thing. It's a dying breed. Yeah, people say automatics are faster, but are they really fun? There you go. But like I said, I'm going to get the car inspected. It's nothing but a little cruise, little POV, and me talking to you guys. But first time, people who want to drive manual, just do it. Like just get the car. Like it's nothing else for me to say. The only way to learn something is to do it. And even if you have a friend that has like a high horsepower car, even if you want your first car to be manual, you can always get like a Honda or something that doesn't take too much. You can beat up on it, you can do whatever you want. You know, there's so many cars you can learn manual on. A lot of modern cars today have hill assist. I know people are afraid of hills, but you just have to give it a little bit more gas and, you know, just get that biting port of the clutch. It's hard to explain, you just got to do it. You're gonna stall, you're gonna be stalling in traffic, pissing people off, it's fine. It's just you learning. Not everybody is quick and a fast learner. You know, so that's the only way to do it. Now see, as I'm getting to my destination right here. Alright guys, I made it. I'm here, about to get my inspection. I'll see you guys after. Peace. Alright guys, just got it inspected, as you guys can see. Passed inspection, of course, is what we all expecting. I got a new key now, so let's see if it works. Works perfectly. Alright, let's back up. Alright guys, now it's time to drive home. Let's go on the road, baby. Ooh, that was my muffler. Alright, let's pull up this window. Shift to fourth. Have a good old time. All right guys, coming back to it, man. Driving manual is nothing scary. It'll be scary at first, but once you get into the car and get used to it, man, the key to driving manual is to find that sweet spot on that clutch. That's it. Ain't nothing else to it. Let me turn my AC on because it's hot out here. Yes, and it's amazing. If you guys do get an old car, make sure it has AC, or else you're going through a world pain to hurt. yeah, the key is to find that sweet spot. That's what I always try to find on this car, and I'm always still learning each and every day, because this is like literally my first manual car, and the only way I learned how to drive, believe it or not, was from like a friend's like 17-year-old brother who had a manual car, and I was like, bro, you have a manual car? None of my older friends let me drive their car, but he let me drive his car. And it was raining. It was a Ford Explorer or Ford Escape, whatever. It was a Ford. Got into it, you know, of course it's just a learning experience, man. You just get into it, hit first, you stall a couple of times, you gotta find that sweet spot in the clutch, and then you just go. And it's scary because a manual car, I want to say, is more free than an automatic, because when you let go of this transmission, you clutch in and put it in neutral, the car is just floating. There's nothing else you can do. But once you put that bad boy in gear and let off the clutch and hit the gas just right, man, you are on it, you are going. And right now I'm just chilling in 5th gear because I'm just on the back road. I should slow down, but it's just a car, man. This car wants to go. And for the people who wants to drive manual for the first time, man, I suggest you guys definitely just do it, man. The only way to just get over that fear, of stalling, or oh, what if I'm not a good enough driver, is just to do it. Like, don't let anybody scare you away from this, man. This is a beautiful thing, you know. Don't let nobody scare you away from driving manual. These cars are all about, just having fun. Like, to me it's fun. To me it's therapeutic, because I used to be the worst. I guarantee you guys, the worst person that ever stepped foot in this car when I first got it. I was the worst. The first time where I took it to the dealership, not the dealership, my friend's shop, got it all inspected and, you know, did whatever it was to pass inspection. It got done around 5 o'clock, and we all know 5 o'clock is traffic hour. So I literally had to drive this car in traffic. I'm talking, I was nervous, I was sweating, I was just afraid to do the wrong thing or the right thing. I mean, I don't know how to words how to explain. I was just lost for words, man. But going through those situations like that literally makes you a better driver. It literally makes you understand your car and what you can and can't do. Like, I used to be a huge person like riding the clutch, and now I know, like, dude, clutch jobs are expensive, so you might want to let your foot off that clutch. So either you're gonna push it all the way down or let it all the way out. Either way it goes, but do it smoothly. Don't pop it all out, because then you're just gonna be burning out every time. Well, you don't want to do that. But I appreciate you guys with this POV, this little talk, and I appreciate you guys subscribing. And plus, I got 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. You guys do not know how much it means to hit 1,000 before my birthday, and I'm really, really thankful for you guys. And hopefully, I can bring you guys more content. So if you guys can like and subscribe, and comment down what you guys want to see on the channel, whether it's like this build or the Tacoma build or both. Just let me know, guys. It's your boy Bruce. I'm out. Peace.